Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2-hole Beads of the Month. I also have a coupon code BNJewelry10 if you would like to save 10% off your first order with them. I will leave a link to the code below and their website as well. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and that's what I get of these. They also have a double one where you would get twice as many for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other monthly subscriptions to choose from. So check out their website below. They have gemstones of the month, crystals of the month, seed beads of the month, everything. So, you know, depending on what you like to do with your beading, they have something for everybody. So without further ado, I did peek really quick because I couldn't help it. Because that's me. Put that to the side. So we have here for Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, we have Floral Crochet, and crocheting is so busy right now, and 2-hole Beads of the Month Club Freshwater Aquarium. Ooh, look at those. Ooh, what are those? Those are different. So we have those, and then the Floral Crochet. Oh, look at those. Oh, I can't wait to unbox these. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're starting off with khaki gray maple leaves, 10 pieces. Look at these. And they're 2 holes. How cool is that? So you could definitely do something really fun with those. Those would, you know, they wouldn't flip around if you're making something. They would stay because you got the 2 holes there, holding them on to whatever your thing is you want to do. Very pretty. We got those. Oh, I put one in there just so that I know what my thing is, because I take a picture of these later for you guys. And next is Light Pink Opal Nebula Matte Arcos Parpucas. Love me some of these beads. And they're matte too, so they're really cool. You could put like a sparkly seed bead in between them or intertwine them with something else. And that will like just stand out from the matte. That's the hole right there, the 2 holes. Love these, so pretty. And next are the Crystal Lumi Green Tango. This is different. I don't know if I have any of these. Let me see if I got 2. Here's one, and here's another one. Okay. Let me put 2 of these in. 1, 2. So that's how it goes. These are like building blocks. Yeah, so look at that. How cool are these? I love the color. Very pretty. And next is the Chalk Lumi Green Trios, 30 pieces. And these are fun too. Look at this. I don't know if I've ever had these before either. So let me see. Yeah, so that's the way it looks. It's flat on the bottom. So you could do something really cool with these. Look at those. They're pretty. Look, I've gotten 3 new things so far that I've never gotten before. And next is butter pecan shells, 15 pieces. These are pretty. These would really make good, like I had said, I told everybody in another video, I'm doing some markets this year, and so these would be really fun to work with. Look at those. Now, what would be cool is like to have them in a circle like that, and then have something in between them on the top one. That will make a cool pair of earrings or a pendant. So there's 15, so you could make a couple different pairs of stuff with those. Okay. And next is matte copper pyramids. There's 12 pieces of this. So this is one in here, one in here. So they go like this. So that's how they go. So these are really pretty. Boy, we're going to have a blast working with these. And now is the Jade Slipperit. I love that word, Slipperit. Silky Minis, 30 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. I know I say this about every one of their beads, but they are all pretty. Okay, so we have, let me get these in the 2 holes there. Let me grab one of these. Oh. Okay, this is interesting now. So the way they go, so they're like this, and then on the other side, that goes like that. I'm seeing like, I'm telling you, I'm seeing like 40 different pairs of earrings with this, this subscription. And you get 30 pieces. So I'm going to be busy for my craft fair with these. My craft fairs, shall I say. My husband's like, do you think you signed on for too many? I said, I don't know. I'll probably like be, oh my gosh, what did I do? And these next ones are Rosaline Capri Gold Bibbo. I love the sparkly on these. Look at that. Now look at that. So you get that, and then you turn it over. But see, it's just got so many different. It's kind of like a rose gold copper almost, not just gold. I'm not sure if the light's hitting it the way I'm seeing it, but these are really pretty. So that's it for the 2-hole bead of the month club. Now let me get out the hot and trendy. Okay, so we're starting for the hot and trendy beads of the month club floral crochet. We're starting with the matte pink Emma. There's 7 grams in here. These are going to be fun. There's 3 holes in these. So look at that. This is going to be really fun. You could do like You do like, I've done a couple lariats with their beads. Like you could do a 3-stranded lariat and then put some seed beads in between them, or I don't know, there's a lot you can do with these. So pretty. Absolutely love their bead boxes. And next is, oh, I wish I had some of my earrings here that I use when I make these little bow ties, I call them, jet iris luster bow tie. There's 6 grams in here. And what a fun color. These have 3 holes as well. And I have made some really cool circular earrings with these, and then had seed beads or other beads in between them. And they look so pretty. They kind of look like a flower when you put them all together. So there's 3 holes running through the side. These are really pretty, and I love that color. And next is Pale Suede Gold Bridge, 6.5 grams. These are, I've done this before with these beads too. I'll put one in there just so I know when I go to put them back, because I always try and take a nice picture for my thumbnail for you guys so you kind of get a look. So here's 3 holes right on the top. These are fun to work with too, because you can like put them together like that with a bead in there and then a seed bead on each side, or the possibilities are endless with these. And they do have that little bridge look, which is cute. And next, these are going to be fun. Turquoise Opal Matte Laser Feather Daggers. Oh, look at these. And they're laser cut. So I don't know if you're seeing that etching on these. And they're actually, they're smooth, but you can feel a little bit of a ridge on them. Oh, how fun are these? Who doesn't love these? And these are just 1 hole. Ooh, gonna have fun with these. There's 25 pieces. There's a nice stash of them there. Next is Olive Brown Rainbow Mushrooms, 30 pieces. These are fun. I did a necklace. I wish I had it here. I think I sold it. And I did these into like a pendant circle. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Because of the way they lay, put a few on. Hold on, let me put a few of these on. But I was able to do like a really cool gathered pendant. I think I did it for Dollar Bead Box. I think Dollar Bead Box had these. Maybe, I'm not sure, but see how these go together like that? Because they have that little, and they stay like this. So if you put them on something, if you put them at the bottom of this and you hold them like that, they will stay. So you could do that with a stacked pair of earrings, little zigzag. I mean, so I could do these, but I did a little like teardrop pendant with them, and then I had a couple more coming up through the top, and it was really cool because they almost looked like little grapes or something. But yeah, it was a pretty popular video I did with those, so that was really fun. Next is Travertine Red Brown Rose Petals. Gorgeous. Oh, and look at, I don't know if you can see the color that's on there. They're not just, yeah, because they do have the brown, almost like a caramely brown. Caramel color with the pink. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to hold them up. That's really pretty. Very pretty. And next is White Opal Labrador Matte Rizzos, 7.5 grams. I did some with some of the, because we've gotten these before, and I did some, just put a needle and thread on, and I did some really cool hoop earrings with them and tied them, and they just kind of spread out all over like that, and those were really fun to make, and especially because they're like matte on one side and then silver on the other. They've got a really cool look to them. So these are pretty. And last but not least, these are the green turquoise Picasso tees. These are cool. Let me see. So this is them. Like this. And then there's one hole. So you can put them, when you put them on, they can be like this. So if you want to make a pair of earrings and want them to be kind of like that, they have a really cool look to them when they're together. So yeah, they're kind of like building blocks. I mean, basically, that's what most of these beads are like. They remind me of those little blocks we used to play with when we were kids, because they stack in, they fit in, but there's so much you can do with these beads. That's what's so much fun about these. You can make some really different pieces of jewelry, whether you sell them, you know, or you have an Etsy store or a regular website, or you're just starting out, you know. I mean, I just kind of like take a few pieces and just kind of have fun with them and see what comes out of it. I don't really have a plan sometimes. You know, I'll get two colors together and say, okay, I like these colors together. Now, what do I want to do with them? And that's usually how I work with these kind of beads. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. I can't wait. I can't wait to start working with these. So like I said, I will leave the link to Adornable Elements below, and I have a coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order with them. I suggest you use it. And if you're not into these kind of beads, you can go on their website and you can use the coupon code for anything. See how many different boxes they have, monthly clubs and all that. So, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And please like and share my videos. It really helps my algorithms, and it keeps me motivated to keep doing more videos. And I will leave links to all my social media below as well, if you would like to follow me on there. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and stay tuned for some tutorials for it. And you all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.